Hi Year 5 and welcome to our latest PE lesson. Today our main focus is going to be agility, and our learning intention is how can I improve agility? How can I improve my agility? So what I'd like you to think about before you start is, why is agility important? Obviously I've missed out a word there, so why is agility important? What is it and how might you improve it? So pause the video, have a little think about those questions. Why is agility important? What is it? And how might you improve it? Okay. So there's a couple of activities today, again, like last week. So the first one is based on our LI, which is improving our agility. So I'm going to ask you to watch the video, which I have linked in the activity and you can see below. So this is just looking at very basic skills, and obviously you can adapt it to your level, and it's designed to look at boosting your agility. So when you watch the video, I'd like you to watch it carefully and then think how you could design an activity to boost your agility. You might need to adapt it for inside or outside, depending on what space is available to you. You might need to do it if you are out on a walk with your grown-ups, or if you go to the park with your grown-ups, how can you adapt it for that? If you have to do it in a small space inside the house, how can you adapt it for that? So this involves you being a bit independent and creative. Obviously you can talk to someone and see if they think it is a good idea to do that, or if you need to try something else. You can also practice agility. For example, if you've only got a table to use, you could practice your agility by moving things around, by moving things between obstacles on the table. There's lots and lots of different ways of tackling this task. So in the video it talks about avoiding obstacles. You could also have collecting obstacles or collecting items. So if you are in the park or in a garden, you could place a couple of objects on the floor, and as you are traveling between two lines, for example, you could pick them up and you can place them in different places, and you might have to pick them up with different hands. You might have to try and collect them with your feet and flick them up and then be able to catch them. You might have to, I'm not going to give you too many ideas, just different ways that you could pick up or avoid or include obstacles or hazards, or avoid hazards most definitely, especially if you're inside. So how are you going to adapt your activity for that? So the link is there. It's only a very short video. I think it's 1.5 or 2 minutes long. So if you watch that and think about how you can create your own activity. Okay, so we've done quite a bit of PE with Joe. So now we have an opportunity to get our dancing shoes on. Dance is a fantastic way to improve so many skills and techniques needed for sports. With that in mind, I've provided this link to a dance class with Oti Mabuse. So it's about a half-an-hour dance class, and there'll be warm-ups and lots of different techniques. And the stuff you learn through improving your dance technique can really help you, as I said, with different sports and things like your agility and your hand-eye coordination. Loads of different things. So have a go at that dance. Perhaps you could send us a short video of you showing off your dance skills. Perhaps you could rope someone else to have a bit of dance with you as well. Another thing that'd be really good about that is I think you'll find yourself laughing at yourself quite a lot as you're doing this dance activity, which will hopefully make you a bit happier and improve your well-being, which is very important at the moment, as we are inside a little bit more than we'd like to be, or a lot more than we'd like to be, depending on how you look at it. So have a go at those activities and let us know how you get on. So you can just send us videos, you can send us pictures, you can just write down what you've been up to. Thanks for listening. Bye.